Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to get coins in Royal Match. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video to the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So guys, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official Royal Match application on your mobile phone if you haven't already. And after opening up Royal Match guys, you'll be greeted by this new home page right here where you can see all the options you have in the game. So guys, the first thing you want to do to be able to get coins is go ahead and log in to your account. Even though it isn't necessary to log in, I suggest you go ahead and create an account if you do not have one already, or log into an existing account because you will have far more benefits than somebody without an account. So guys, now after you have logged in, you can get started getting coins, and guys, you will get coins for doing basically anything in this game. So anything you do from leveling up and so on is going to give you coins. So guys, what you want to do is just to go ahead and keep on playing, go ahead through your levels, and you'll be able to get as many coins as you want. And if so for some reason you have spent all of your coins, there are multiple ways to do them. You can do events guys, you can go ahead and open up chests, you can go ahead and join a clan where people will be able to send you money and you can earn coins with your team members. Basically anything you do in this game is going to go ahead and bring you coins, so just go ahead and keep on playing, do the events, open up chests, manage the leaderboard and so on, increase your collection, and you will keep getting coins. But yeah guys, basically that is it how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So yeah guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.